How would I describe Cam? He is 7 years old. He's super intelligent.
Cam loves dinosaurs. All he talks about is like science and dinosaurs. He's very open-minded, very open-hearted. He's a sweet kid.
Cam, he's very intuitive, and he'll let you know how he's feeling. He can dance, like you saw. He did his little dance today, and he's just all around. He's all in all. He's a sweet kid.
Guys, let's do what we do every day. Cammy, how are your emotions today?
Happy, super happy.
I have 2 children that are in Movement Freedom, Camden Barnwell and Peyton Barnwell in kindergarten and 1st grade. I mean, it's funny, for Cam, he's grown so much in the last 2 years being at Movement School.
Truly his development from last year to this year, you can see a truly gentleman transition from being optimistic about going to school and a little afraid to now having friends, and as you see, just on a daily basis, just having him out and experience himself.
So we have a commitment to social emotional learning. I think we often forget that kids have the same emotions adults do, but they sometimes don't have the tools. So one of our goals is to give that.
And then they also teach them, all the basic stuff, but they go in depth about money, about time, about all of these things. They're getting financial literacy, and they're getting education on God and how to treat people and emotional status.
The school also teaches him, I can see, something about his character, as far as his behavior. He starts speaking about how he feels more than anything now, and so that truly helps out with his growth.
It's important to have a relationship with parents and students because we're in a partnership together.
But when you're able to have that close-knit connection with a parent, it just helps. Because even during those times where, there are rough days, but during those moments, she's able to tell us and coach us things that they use at home. Like they use a saying, my name is Cameron Bronwell and I don't quit. It's just a saying that they have. So to know we can use that as a tool to bring him back, to reset him, is amazing.
They work a lot with the emotional stuff. Like I said, there are counselors that come in and they will help them get through those things as well. So we work closely together with the school and we come up with ideas, right? Like as far as temperament goes, as far as emotional status goes.
I would say my personal philosophy for teaching my students is love. So just coming in and creating that love of learning and love to just think they can do whatever they want to do when they grow up.
Our mission is, the heart of it is just to love and value our scholars and families. But within that, it's about being a change in education, giving them a different opportunity. And we do that through like a push for academic excellence, but also like a commitment to character education. We wouldn't be able to do the things that we're doing here, like 2 teachers in a classroom, without the support of Movement Mortgage.
The resource that Movement Mortgage loan officers is unimaginable to most of these kids. Like they don't always seem to understand that they have heroes in their corner, people who care, people who are going to supply for them.
We have this beautiful facility that everyone first sees, that our students deserve, our families deserve.
People say they care, but I feel like at Movement they genuinely care, and you see it.
While closing a loan on the weekend might not feel like the most glamorous thing in the world, it's making an impact every day in what we do here at our schools.
I can honestly say Movement School will definitely teach your kid how to thrive throughout their years there, and continue to excel and be happy and believe in themselves.
But at the end of the day, that's what we're doing, right? We're creating a better generation than we are or what we came from. I think that the amount of people that pour love into these children and care about these children on the daily is beautiful. It's the village that everyone's looking for. There's not one way that I can think of that I couldn't reach out to Movement School and they wouldn't make what I needed possible.